everybody, it's Miss Mac with just a quick review of special case lines. When we're talking about special cases, we're talking about lines that are not diagonal. They're either horizontal or vertical. So we call them special case lines because they kind of just are a special case. They're a little bit different than normal. So what I want to do is I want to start with horizontal lines. Now you can see up here that it says y equals a number, and it says it has this little horizontal line here. Now I want to talk about why horizontal lines have this type of an equation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this this line down below here, and I am going to actually make a list of ordered pairs, several of them, of points on this line. So I'm going to come down here and I'm just going to pick a few points. It doesn't matter where I pick them, I'm just picking different points on this line. And I'm going to write those ordered pairs. So this one over here at the far left would be -5, -3. If you look at this one right here, it's -3, -3. This one right here, the y-intercept is 0, -3. The one beside it would be 1, -3. And the one at the far right would be 5, -3. So when you look at the set of ordered pairs associated with this line, you can see that this x value doesn't matter. It could be any number I want. As long as the y value is -3, a point is going to be on that line. So because the x does not matter, and the y has to be -3, the equation of this line is just y equals -3. Okay? So when we're talking about horizontal lines, those equations are always y equals a number, whatever number happens to be in the y value of the table. Now, if we're talking about vertical lines are always x equals a number. And likewise, I want to take this line and I want to put some different points on it, and we are going to put those in our table as well. So let's just take those points right there. So this one at the top would be 2, 4. The next one down would be 2, 2. The next one would be 2, 0. The one down below that is 2, -4. And the very bottom one is 2, -6. So in this case, you can see that the x's have to be 2's. The y's could be any one number I want, because if that number goes with an x value of 2, we know it's got to be on this line. So because the y's don't matter and we know the x's have to be 2's, that is the equation of this line. So in terms of horizontal and vertical lines, I like to use the tables a lot because I think the tables tell you exactly what the equation is. So even if you're not asked to make a table or asked to do plot some points on the line, I think it's helpful because right away it tells you if your equation is an x equals or y equals. Hope this video was helpful. You have a few pages of practice you can do for writing horizontal and vertical line equations. If you have questions, let us know. Bye-bye.